very good morning my dear student, and in this video I have touched another part from your unit 1, that is your note making and summary writing from your subject Communicative English. So what is note making? Now remember student, before knowing what is note making, let me say with the help of what you are going to make a note, right? So a passage will be given and based on that passage you will write down note. Okay, you have to prepare a short gist of that passage. So now let us see what are the rules that are needed while you are drafting a note. The first and the foremost thing, while you are writing a note, first pick a title, right? You have to suggest a suitable title for that unseen passage, and you have to write at the top bottom of, while you are start writing up note making, at the top you will write the title, right? Next rule says that whatever you write in note making, it should be in brief, right? Whatever the main gist, only gist you will write. You will not frame any kind of sentence in note making, only gist you will write, right? Next is only relevant fact. The things what your note should reflect, only a relevant fact, only fact should be comprised in your note. You will avoid writing in a sentence, only you will write your, in note making, only I will be showing you one of the sample in this video, and in that video you will mark that there is no framing of sentence, only you have to write in gist, very simple, right? Next is your information. While you are making a note, you have to make in a tabular form, right? Again I will show what you will be doing in the next. A sample is being discussed, and so what you will be doing is you will make your note. After completing your note, you will make a outline of that note. You will give a box to your note making, and remember that you will give a main point and you have to reflect the supporting point too. Next is abbreviation. You can use abbreviation in your note making, right? You can use short form, and if you are using short forms or abbreviation, again you have to make a column suggesting what short form you have used and what is the complete form of that word, right? Next is, let us see the specimens of a note making. As I have said you to read properly the passage about the tobacco and alcohol. So now you can see, now here is a specimens of note making, and the first thing what I have given is your title. Now from the given passage I have given the title such as say no to tobacco and alcohol. Beside this, other titles, suitable titles are health is wealth. Next is abstain from tobacco and alcohol. Next is bad habit. So the first thing what you will do in note making, you have to give a suitable title. The way I have highlighted the word title, you too have to highlight the word title. Over. After the title, you will start making the note, like I have given here notes. Now notes 1. 1 means what things are contained in your para 1, right? So again you have to give a subtitle for para 1, right? So I have given subtitle for para 1 is your about tobacco, right? You can give, according to you, you can give any type of title, but it should based on the paragraph. So my subtitle is your, for paragraph 1 is your about title. Now I am giving the supporting point, right? 1 means your paragraph 1. A means I am supporting my main point of that paragraph 1. The main thing is smoked and chewed. Now remember student, you will not frame any kind of sentence, only gist is needed. So smoked and chewed. Next is brought by Sir Walter Raleigh. Here I have only mentioned brought by Sir Walter Raleigh. Next is your 4th century ago, when it was brought to Asian countries 4th century ago. In just I have written D, no good for body, right? There is no good for body. Last supporting point is difficult to get rid. Now after reading the first paragraph, you have to only write in brief and fact, only fact, right? Tobacco is smoked and chewed, brought by whom, when, okay? Then no good for body, and the last, it is difficult to get rid of. Over. Then next para, number 2. What subtitle I have given for para 2? No to drinking or no to alcohol. Now what supporting point I have given? 1. Places taken. In your paragraph it has mentioned in which place your alcohol is taken. So I have written places taken. Now I have subdivided it. Where the people take alcohol. 1. Cool and cold climate. Next, in mountains. Now you can see that no sentence is being framed, only just, right? Next is your less consumed. Where alcohol is less consumed? In plains places. Next is not necessary to anybody, right? And the D point is injurious to health. Or you can write demerits of alcohol or effects of alcohol. So what are the effects of alcohol? Which one? Supporting. I am again supporting. If you will see that in paragraph where you can subdivide and then write, then in this way you have to subdivide. Okay. What are the effects of your alcohol? Weakens the mental power, lessen the energy. So in this way you have to make note. You will not write in a sentence, or you will not write in a framing a sentence, only just like you can see. Places consumed, cold and cold climate. Mountain, less consumed, plains, right? Then effects of, weakens the mental power. Next, lessens the energy. Now next is your, I think your fundamental on note making is clear. Next topic is your summary writing. Now summary writing, based on this note making, you have to draft a summary. Right, here you have written in gist, and in summary writing you have to frame a sentence. That does not mean that your summary will be a lengthy one-page type. No, your summary should consist within 100 to 150 words. Okay, so, and in note you will write in gist, simple, in brief, only facts will be covered. But in summary what will happen, you will elaborate your facts and your wordings, right? Like mountains, like here I have written about tobacco smoked and chewed. You will write that tobacco is smoked and chewed. You will write in a sentence. In summary you will frame a sentence, and in note making only you will write gist and in brief, right? So hope now you are being cleared about your note making and summary writing. That's all for today. Thank you.